Reasons why I think it's better to sell over the phone as opposed to if you're doing it on the Zoom call. So reason number one is being location independent. For example, if you're in Alaska, and maybe that's a great state for solar, I don't know, I've never sold in Alaska, but if you live in Alaska, that doesn't stop you to sell in New Jersey or Maryland or California or Nevada. It doesn't matter. You can be anywhere. I've always been a fan of a business where I don't have to be confined by my physical location. I could be anywhere in the world. And I like it because I can be with my family, I can be on a holiday and still be doing work. You know, I don't have to be in the physical location in an office somewhere, right? I can be anywhere I want. And that just appealed to me right from the get-go. And I was like, this is what I want to do. If you want to live location independent, this is the thing for you. You need to start selling over the phone. A lot of people say, can you make a lot of money selling solar? Yes, you can. So bottom line, if you want location independence, then selling over the phone is your thing.